In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a comment in Notion. Whether you're just tidying up your workspace, have posted something by mistake, or simply need to modify the conversation and eliminate a comment, understanding this process can really streamline your Notion experience. So, let's get started on making your workspace as clean and organized as possible. First things first, you'll want to open the specific Notion page where the comment you intend to remove is located. Navigate through your workspace to find that page. Take your time to ensure you're on the right page, as these steps only pertain to deleting comments. And we want to be sure you're modifying the correct section. Once you're on the right page, the next move is to locate the particular comment you need to remove. Make sure you're looking at the exact comment thread or block where the comment resides. Now here's a little tip. Visually scan your page and hover your cursor slowly over the comments, if you have multiple, to highlight the one you're focusing on. This helps you avoid any accidental deletions. Now place your cursor over the specific comment. As you glide your cursor over, you'll notice a subtle appearance of additional options. This includes the iconic menu, commonly known as the three-dot menu, showing up alongside the comment. It's as if Notion is giving you a little whisper of, "Hey, here's where you can make some changes." When you see this, it's your signal to proceed with the removal process. Click on these three little dots to unveil a drop-down menu. This menu has several choices that let you modify the comment or the surrounding content. What you're looking for here is the option that says Delete Comment. It might feel a bit nerve-wracking because you want to ensure you're clicking deliberately, but as long as you're at the right comment, it will be a smooth process. After selecting the Delete Comment option, you may be prompted to confirm your action. Notion sometimes likes to double-check with you, just to make sure that this is truly the path you want to take. This step is your last chance to reconsider, but don't worry. If you're confident that removal is the right decision, go ahead and confirm. This serves as a safeguard, ensuring that nothing important is lost inadvertently. And that's it. You have successfully removed a comment from your Notion page. Take a moment to double check and make sure everything looks good. Should you need to restore it or add comments again, Notion makes it quite seamless to continue conversations. I hope this helps you maintain a neat, distraction-free space. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks for optimizing your Notion experience.